Grandpa, I try call him, but him still not answer him phone.
Hello? Liana? You can come in. Sorry for bother you. Just you want to talk to you about something. May I go outside for buy breakfast? You want to come with me? Alright, sure. If you're cool with Uncle Daniel. Just me and you? Yeah, man. Just me and you. I want to talk to you about some stuff, so it better if it's private between me and you, okay? Oh, alright, man. That's cool. So why your face looks so? Somebody had trouble you? Let me guess, man problem? Want me to try reach my boyfriend, but I'm always busy, so I don't know what going with him. No worry about that. Man a drunker.
So the police were right. She took her own life. Yeah, them said there was no evidence of foul play. Them just find her in the lake. I don't even know why she do it. She been sick for a while, but I know why. She's been miserable for years. She just hasn't said anything to anyone. So you finally did it, huh? You finally killed her. All the stress and embarrassment over the years. What do you think was gonna happen, huh? You think she was just gonna live with it for the rest of her life? And then you got my wife pregnant? You don't even know all of the damage you did. Do you even care? Do you even care? Yo, Uncle Andy, just relax, man. I understand why you're vexed, but he might go through enough now. Just easy upon him now. Look at me, you piece of shit. I'm talking to you. Yo, dog, that not necessary. Grandpa? Grandpa!
So, you ready for go back to Canada? Or you make a decision yet? I'm kinda still a think about it. I think about my brother, and I also think about my boyfriend. Because I kinda worry about him. I've been going through a lot. But I'm not alive. From I moved to Canada, I've been really depressed and miserable. And since I come down here, I just feel more happy and alive. I mean, Uncle Daniel put this opportunity in front of me, and it sounds like a really good idea, but at the same time, I don't know. I feel kind of confused about everything. I mean, I don't want to just abandon my friends and my family like that. I think I'll find one time for a little while. And honestly, I never really like it, but that's just me. Why you never like it? Cause when you live at them place there, it's always control. I'm gonna like nobody control me. Down here is pretty much lawless. I'ma like it that way. It would better for me to come live here when I really think about it. Listen, you look a brother. It will be alright. And your boyfriend, him is a man. Don't ever put your all in at him. I mean, Junior not perfect, but it helped me with a lot of things. I understand what you say, but at the end of the day, use your own person. You think if him get a big opportunity like this, him will just get up for you? Plus, you're young. You're supposed to live your life and experience different things. Don't get tied on so early. Trust me, it's not worth it. Did you get married when you were young? Yeah, mad. After my sick in a maid. My sister did, and look how that turned out. Sorry, I know your father, but he was a drunker. You know what? You're right. I should stay here. It's more better for me mentally. Like I am, like you have sense now. Never surprise for you. Daniel, you want me wait a little bit, but I figure something for just tell you, so it would be better for you to change your mind. Okay, what is it? This cafe is going to be yours. Now tell me now. You really want to go back to Canada? I'm pretty sure you're going to stay right to Spy there. Andy, what happened? What did they tell you? Is she okay? What exactly did they say? I mean, it can be serious. Is it really serious, Andy?
No, Annie, this is the thing. Him now pick up him phone. Me don't know who spot him there. Him ain't gone for him. No, him don't know what happened. Because him now pick up him phone. And nobody can reach him. Me don't know who spot him there. Him never tell me nothing. Me just feel like I have something to do with that girl like Octavia. Because I must that. Because you know daddy stay when it comes to she. No, it pissed me off because him supposed to there help me with everything. Damn, girl clone. Fuck, man.
Kalika, I decide to make a stay here. You serious? Oh my god! I'm so happy. Really? I could have swear. I vex you vex. No, I'm actually really excited because I always wanted a sister, and now I have you. I can't wait for us to do so much things together. I'm so excited about this. Yeah, I feel the same way too. I'm finally somewhere where I feel good. Can't wait for tell my friend Karima. She gonna be excited. We haven't hung out in a while. That's cool. But what about your boyfriend? How am I gonna take it? That's something I have to try to figure out by myself, I guess. I have to go. I have piano lessons tomorrow.
You know, Debbie, I was thinking about something. It's about mommy and her house.
Listen to me. Anything to do with your mad mother? Not getting involved.
No, nothing to do with that, man. It's just that we need to talk to her about it. We need to talk to her about a lot of things. She don't listen. Maybe you can talk to her for me and kind of explain to her, say, you know, more build some extra units on the property.
You know, say sometimes I feel wonder about you. So when your wife will come home, we can spend the night.
You think your husband will go with that?
After I'm in a business about him, boyhood can't hold me like your own.